What's up you guys, my name is Angela and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I have for you guys something really exciting. It is a BoxyLuxe unboxing. So for those of you who don't know, Boxycharm is originally a $21 monthly subscription that sends you 5, and sometimes they add a little extra surprise items for $21 a month. But this month they decided to add a deluxe version of their box, which is $49.99 every 3 months. And you also get 4 of the products that are included in the regular box for people who did not want to upgrade. So getting this box was very difficult. It took me, I think, 2 hours. I was never put on the wait list. I just kept clicking refresh on my browser. It took a very long time to get this box, but Boxycharm did make a statement and apologize for the technical difficulties that they had, which I think is really great. So without further ado, let's just get right on into the video. So this box came unexpectedly in the mail yesterday. It is absolutely humongous and is jam-packed with good items, I'm hoping. So let's just go ahead and open it. So every Boxycharm box comes with an info card. This month, since it is the deluxe box, the info card just happens to be humongous. Normally it's like 1/4 this size, but inside this card it lists all the products, the theme for this month, which is wildflower, and on the back it just has some coupon codes that I will list down below for you guys. So the box is really greatly packaged. Everything seems to be pretty secure here in the box, but the first item that I'm going to pull out here on top is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. So this is the palette out of the package. It is this really pretty rose gold on top of gold, and let's just go ahead and open it. So here is what that looks like. There is a little plastic protector, and I love Tarte products because they always smell like vanilla and it's just so good. And right here you can't really see it, but it says chiseled like a diamond, which is absolutely cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and swatch this for you guys and show you the quality of the products. So these are all the shades swatched in the Chisel palette. We have Halo, Enhance, Carrot, Princess Cut, Angle, and then Crown. These swatches are all just one swipe swatches. I did not build any. I did notice a lot of powder fall out, but that is not a big deal for me because it blended really seamlessly. This Tarte palette retails for $45. So moving on to the next layer of BoxyLuxe. This next layer is all of the stuff that is going to be in the regular Boxycharm. The first thing that I have pulled out is this Ojitos brush trio from Alamar Cosmetics. So you can see that this is a beautiful neon green shade with rose gold detailing. The first brush here is a standard fluffy brush. You have a little packer brush or cut crease brush right here, and then you have a very angled flat top that would be good for smoking out your under eyes or possibly even doing your brows. The Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos Brush Trio set retails for $18. So the next item in the box is a variation item. You could have gotten this Laura Geller Blush-N-Brighten blush in Tropic Hues, or you could have gotten a Galactic Highlight Duo, but this is the one that I happened to get. And it has a little mirror up here on top and then a little plastic see-through thing so you can see the color of the blush. And this blush is baked, so I'm just going to go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So there is just one swatch. This blush does have a lot of sheen into it. As you can see, it's very beautiful in a very deep mauve rose color. So the next thing we have in the box is from Pretty Vulgar, and it is their Nightingale eyeshadow palette. So this is what that looks like. It is a very cool toned palette, and it is in the little cutest shape of a bird cage, and it comes with a mirror protector, which is really awesome. So I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly swatch this for you guys. So here are all those shades swatched for you guys. The shade Silver Spoon, and break free, as well as after midnight needed a couple layers to build up to full pigment, but overall the shadows are very nice and very high quality, so I'm really happy with this palette. The Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palette retails for $35. The next thing we have in the bag is actually a surprise item that Boxycharm decided to throw into the box this month. It is this tote bag that says Totes a Charmer with the little Boxycharm logo down here, and it's actually really big and feels super high quality, so that's really nice of them to throw in the bag. Onto the final layer of this box. Here are all the deluxe items that are coming in this box this month. The first thing that I'm going to pull out of the last layer is from Vintage Cosmetics. It is their Dolly Bow Makeup Headband, and it retails for $5, and it's just this cute light pink stretchy headband that goes around your head to keep your hair out of your face while you're doing your makeup. So this next thing is from R+Co. It is their Death Valley Dry Shampoo. It is a travel size and it retails for $17. The next item in a box is also a variation product for the regular Boxycharm, and it is the Hank & Henry Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Petal Pusher. This lipstick retails for $17. Oh my gosh, it smells like Greek yogurt. It says on here that it's supposed to smell like cake, but it smells like Greek yogurt or like cheesecake. Really weird. So as you can see, it's a really pretty deep rosy mauve color. The next thing in the bag is from Luxie Beauty. It is their Airbrush foundation brush in Luxie 732. And as you can see, it is this black brush with dark copper detailing, and it's a very densely packed brush, and it comes with a nice groove where you can place your finger while putting on your foundation. This brush retails for $38. The next thing in the box is from the company Sol de Janeiro. It is the Ipanema Sunset Glow Oil. Here is what the component looks like. It is this beautiful rose gold, and this glow oil retails for $35. It does not come with a pump, which is a little weird to me, but it comes all sealed up, so I'm just going to go ahead and open it and put a little bit on the back of my hand. So here is what that glow oil looks like. It is a beautiful, highly pigmented, bronzy rose gold shade. As you can see, it's a little bit darker than my skin tone, so it's bronzing me up a little bit, but it just has this beautiful sheen to it. The glow oil also has like a very strong perfume smell. I don't know how to describe it, but it smells very like adult mom perfume. This next thing in the box is the limited edition Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water, and I got the scent Serene Green. This primer water retails for $32 and was co-created by a beauty guru YouTuber here who is named Nicole Concilio, which is really awesome. The final item in the box is from Juice Beauty, and it is their Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. This was a variation item. You could receive their Stem Cellular Serum, and this retails for $70. So here is what this moisturizer looks like. When you open it, there is a little like button that you can press down on that will dispense the product from this little hole right here, which is a good way to keep the product contained and keep it closed off from contaminants that may be able to get in it when you open a jar lid all the way. So this is really nice, and it's a very luxurious product to receive in a box like this. So that was everything that I received in the BoxyLuxe box this month. Everything was absolutely amazing. I am very happy with the way that Boxycharm handled the situation with all the trouble that went into BoxyLuxe, and I'm very overall happy with all the products that I received. They are very high quality, and a lot of time looks like it was put into thinking about what to include into this box. So thank you, Boxycharm, for sending this to me, and I am so excited to have it in my life and have the first BoxyLuxe like ever, and it's really exciting. So thank you so much, and if you guys enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button down below, and hit that notification bell if you want to be notified of the next time that I upload a video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!